Hello people, in this video we are going to compare Sygic versus Google Maps. Now before we begin, let me clear that Sygic is a paid app and Google Maps is free. And still if you want a comparison, then here we are. Both are amazing apps with unique features. I will go through navigation stuff and features of both the apps. If you want technical and detailed comparison, then check out my article on Sygic versus Google Maps. I have added 25 minutes for address and we will see how both perform in different conditions. When we put an address, we can see the distance, time and arrival time on Sygic and time and distance on Google Maps. Both come with a bottom menu where we can see the details or change the route. Google Maps has an option to select vehicle type, but we will be using car in this video. When navigation starts, we have a few options on the screen. A neat feature inside Sygic is vehicle speed. On the screen, Sygic shows nearest petrol station, traffic delay, nearest car parking, hazard, speed trap, etc. Meanwhile, Google Maps shows a search button and sound options. Sygic is showing it would take 20 minutes while the distance is 8.4 kilometers. Google Maps on the other hand is showing 25 minutes journey and 8.3 kilometers. The arrival time is also different. To make this comparison a fair one, I will be preferring Google Maps sometimes and Sygic other times. Sygic has another cool feature which is finding a better route. While we are driving, it suggests if there is a better route which is possible to take. There is a small window suggesting which lane should the driver be driving on, and when we move to a different speed zone, it shows the speed zone on the map in Sygic. The 3D interface in Sygic is also something to consider. Sygic is more concerned than Google Maps regarding voice navigation. It speaks even we have to go straight. The small icons on the map are for fuel station, parking, hazard, etc. Google Maps is very powerful in updating traffic conditions. A good thing in Google Maps is it shows the alternative routes with time delay if possible. It's time to check the conditions. We have a difference of 3 minutes while the distance difference is 200 meters. If there is a speed trap, Sygic shows on the map with continuous beeping. The bar below the route info in Sygic is the progress bar. It shows the remaining journey with traffic delay. The three dots on the bottom right show more information about the journey. It shows the traffic delay, number of speed cameras and full route information. You can preview the journey by tapping on three dots on the top right corner. Sygic has a store where the user can purchase features like real-time navigation, dashcam, head-up display, cockpit, travel book, maps, etc. Sygic comes with a feature called Parked Car, which remembers where you have parked your car. Other than that, SOS feature, which shows you the location, closest hospital, police station, petrol station and pharmacy. You can also call the emergency number by tapping on the emergency call. Let's move to Google Maps. You can talk to the maps by saying OK Google. You can share the progress, see directions and change the settings on the bottom menu. You can also turn on and off traffic information. Both have the feature of online navigation. Tapping on the second left button in Google Maps shows an aerial view of the journey. Let's see the update. We have the time difference of 1 minute and the distance difference of 200 meters. The arrival time is also different. Google Maps shows the petrol stations and other businesses close by on the map. It would be an excellent time to add another feature of Google Maps. While turning on the map, it shows which lane should the driver be driving on. On the top, it shows how many lanes in total and which one is for us. I also found an issue in Sygic which is not complaining when I exceed the speed limit. It does warn when the speed is much exceeded from the speed zone. We are almost there. I will be changing the route and we will see how both perform. Usually I trust Google Maps, but somehow the information was incorrect. Let me show you what happened. Google Maps suggested to keep going straight, but there was only one way. Sygic on the other hand suggested turning left and then U-turn. Sygic updated me correctly, so the point goes to Sygic. When we get close to our destination, Sygic shows a message with available parking. Anyway, when we started, it was 16:19 and the journey was 23 minutes and 26 minutes. Right now it's 16:49, which means 30 minutes. Well, we took some roads with huge traffic. Both are great apps, but the final answer comes to the money. If you have enough money to spend, then Sygic is the way to go. After reviewing both, I believe that Sygic is better than Google Maps. But if you want free stuff, then Google Maps is here to help. Anyway, I hope the video Sygic versus Google Maps helped. Like the video if it helped and subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this.